Good day, everyone. Good day, ma'am. Today, I'm going to discuss the founders of Noli Me Tangere. Dr. Jose Rizal's novel Noli Me Tangere exposed the abuses of Spanish officials and friars in the Philippines. Because of its bold content, it faced heavy criticism from ang Spanish authorities and church leader. However, the several individuals and groups courageously defended the book and its purpose. First, the founders of Noli Me Tangere, we have Filipino propagandists, group group of Filipinos who fought for reforms, including Marcelo H. del Pilar, Dr. Antonio Marigidor, Graciano Lopez Haina, and Mariano Ponce. They backed the book as part of their push for change. These were educated Filipinos who worked for reforms and equal rights during the Spanish period. They believe in peaceful change through education and writing. Members included Marcelo H. del Pilar, Dr. Antonio Marigidor, and Cristiano Lopez Haina, and also Mariano Ponce. They supported the Rizal's novel because it reflected the truth about the injustices happening in the country and helped them awaken national consciousness among Filipinos. For them, the book was not an attack, but it is it is call for reform and justice. Next, the founders, we have liberal Europeans, people from Europe who liked the book's ideas, including Don Sigismundo Moret, Dr. Miguel Moraita, Professor Blumentritt, and Father Sanchez. They defended it against Spanish criticism. Some Europeans who believe in freedom and equality also supported Rizal's ideas. This included Don Sigismundo Moret, Dr. Miguel Moraita, Professor Ferdinand Blumentritt, and Father Francisco de Palua Sanchez. Rizal's former teachers, they defended the book from Spanish criticism by explaining that it was a literary work aiming to improve society, not to destroy the church or Spain. They support gave results message more credibility and help reach an international sources audience. Next, the founders, we have Father Vicente Garcia, Filipinos first scholar. Father Vicente Garcia, writing under the pen name Justo Desiderio Magalang, briefly defended Noli Me Tangere. His main arguments were Rizal was intelligent and honorable, having studied in Spain and received awards. The novel criticized only the corrupt officials and friars, not all Spaniards or the Catholic Church. Again, the novel criticized only the corrupt officials and friars, not all Spaniards or Catholic Church. If reading the book was sinful, then Father Rodriguez, who wrote against it, had also sinned by reading it. The novel should be viewed as a story or piece of literature, not as a religious doctrine. Through his defense, Father Garcia showed that Rizal's work aimed to reveal the truth and encourage moral reform. Marcelo H. del Pilar, another strong defender of Rizal. Marcelo wrote a pamphlet titled Kaingat Kayo or Beware. This work was a satirical response to Father Rodriguez's attack on Noli Me Tangere. So, in it, the pillar mocked the friars' ignorance and defended Rizal's message of truth and reform. He encouraged Rizal he encouraged Filipinos to view the novel not as a threat but as a reflection of their society's realities. Again, he encouraged Filipinos to view the novel not as a threat but as a reflection of their society's realities. To summarize, the defenders of Nolimit Hungary, both Filipinos and Europeans played a vital role in protecting Rizal's ideas. Their writings and support helped the book become a symbol of truth, courage, and the Filipino struggle for freedom and reform.